Hey, Rob here. How you doing? So we've talked about tracking our pixels and high performing ads. So now here's a little trick that we can do that will increase our ad results. We can jumpstart our ad results with this. So how do I want to? I'm going to explain this to you. So right now this ad's inactive because I have it turned off. But if I turn it on, what we're going to see is it should turn to active, yes, and learning. That's what I want to show you, learning. So what this means is that Facebook is trying to learn which people are going to respond best with that ad. All right? I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. So what that means is there's going to be a certain type of person that's going to respond better with your ad. And Facebook has thousands and thousands of data points that they're going to be mixing and matching and trying to find what is that right mix. So what we can do is we can make this happen quicker, all right, by giving Facebook more ads to run at one time. And then here is the thing, this is where a lot of people get this wrong, is we want it to be identical ads. We don't want a bunch of different ads. What we're trying to do is use the same ad sets, identical ones, to see which one they're going to respond to. And it's not, and I guess here's where it gets confusing. It's not that the ad set or the ad makes a difference. It's the algorithm and mix that Facebook puts together to show it to people. So if they have more ads to show, right, then they're going to more quickly find that right mix. And so we're just going to help them along and make it go faster. So what we want to do is we want to go into this ad set here, and we're going to duplicate this ad. Now we're now, again, like I said, we want identical ads. So they're going to be same in the existing campaign, the traffic campaign. In one this ad set, Realtor 25 plus, male and female. And then we're going to make 2 copies. And then we said duplicate. And so we'll end up with 3 identical ads. Now, what we want to do is label these, because we are going to, let me put that in there. We are going to, here we are. We are going to declare a winner. So we need to be able to disseminate from them. So we're going to call this 01. And then we're going to call this one 01B. The first one is 01A, not just 01. Sorry about that. And then we're going to call this one 01C. Whoops. Boom. Okay, so now we had A, B, C. Okay, now we're going to go back to our ad set. Okay, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to create 3 identical ad sets, each one having 3 identical ads. So we're going to put 2. We're going to put duplicate. And then we're going to change this to, we'll call this one 03. And we'll call this one 02. And we'll call this one, you guessed it, 01. All right, now, what we need to do is to publish this. So we're going to go up here. Now, it tells us we have 10 changes that we need to publish, right? We created 8 new ads and 2 new ad sets. So that's what the 10 is. So we have, yes, 2 ad sets and 8 ads. Click publish. So when we're done, so this is one of our new ad sets here. I'm going to wait for it to finish publishing. Grab a drink of water while it's publishing. And 10, 10, 10, boom. There we are. So if we go into this ad set, I'm going to get rid of this check mark here. We go in this ad set. We should see 3 ads in there. And we do. Now, if we want to confirm that all 9 ads were created, all we have to do is put a check mark by each ad set, and it will show us all the ads in these ad sets. And then we just go here to ads, and it tells us ads for 3 ad sets, and we see 9 of them here besides where my face is. Okay, so now I want to tell you we're running $20 a day in each ad set, so it's a total ad spend of $60 a day. So this can get a little expensive, but you don't have to run for a full 24 hours. Just run it for 6 to 12 hours. So you cut it loose. And then, like I said, give it 6 hours. And what you're going to do is you're going to look for the ad set that has the most unique link clicks. And you want to make sure this is set up. So you go to your columns here. You go to this drop-down menu, and you hit Customize Columns. And here's where we can add things. So like I've already added unique link clicks. It's not necessarily in there by default. And then you just hit Apply, and it'll save it in there. And then I named it. So what I did is after I created it, right, we go Customize. Then I'll give you the option, do you want to save it? Whoops, let me try it again. Customize. Here we are. And so right here, it'll say Save as Preset. Okay? So you can choose, you can click it. Well, I need to make a change. So let's just add this in there. Boom. And it'll say Save as Preset. And you can name it down here. Okay? You can name it down here. Whatever you want to name it. I named mine Rob's Matrix, but you can call it whatever you want, or Metrics. Okay, so I'm going to cancel because I already got it saved. Then once you do that, once you have it saved, this is a little annoying, but you have to go back and then say Set as Default. So this will come up. So what we're really, because remember, the ad's job is to get people to click through to your landing page, and it's a landing page's job to convert them to leads. So we're not really worried about leads at this point. We're just trying to help Facebook determine what audience, what mix of audience is going to respond fastest from our ads. So once we have that set up, I say let it run 6 to 12 hours. You can go ahead and let it run longer if you want. You really generally don't, but you'll see one's going to have more link clicks, unique. Remember, it's important, unique link clicks than another. If you are seeing a tie, right, you can then go to impressions would probably be next, or reach, either one of those. Now, so once you've picked the ad set, so we're just going to say that this ad set 02 has the most unique clicks. Then we want to go in and we're just going to do the same thing with the ad. We want to know which ad has the most unique links. And we're just going to say that it's MH1C. So we're going to take 1B, 1A, and 1B, and we're just going to trash them, right? And this was, and so we have ad set name here, and it tells us, so it's an ad set 02. So then we can go back here, and we can get rid of, we want to keep ad set 02, but we can take ad set 03 and ad set 01 and trash it. Boom. So now we have the best performing ad set with the best performing ad, which will ramp up. Now it's time to go back in and start testing your ads and ad sets to get your optimum performance. So just a neat little trick to jumpstart your results. Hope it made sense. I know this is a slightly confusing strategy, but it really can help you get better results faster. So that's it. We'll see you on the flip side. Go crush it.